What's up, foodies? Today we're making juicy herb-infused lamb meatballs paired with my famous horseradish sauce. Whether you're serving this as an appetizer at New Year's, a snack, or part of your main course, these meatballs are guaranteed to be a hit. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. They have provided me with some amazing lamb from Lambtastic. So let's get into it. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, soak 3/4 cup or 60 grams of breadcrumbs and a half a cup or 125 ml of milk. Then leave it until the breadcrumbs absorb all the milk. You might be wondering why people soak their breadcrumbs in milk for meatballs. Soaking your breadcrumbs in milk before adding them to the meatball mixture is key to achieving a tender, juicy meatball. This step is called a panade. It helps bind the meat while also adding moisture. As the bread soaks, it absorbs milk, becoming softer and breaking down into a paste-like texture. When mixed into the ground meat, this paste prevents the meatballs from becoming dense or dry during cooking, creating a softer texture that holds moisture well. In short, a panade makes meatballs lighter, softer, and keeps them from drying out. It's definitely a step you don't want to skip. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 pound or 456 grams of ground lamb with the soaked breadcrumbs. Add half a cup or 60 grams of grated Asiago cheese, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of chopped mint, 1/4 cup of chopped dill, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Add in the zest of 1 lemon, then crack in an egg, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. And when I mean well combined, I mean get in there and make sure it's all mixed really well. Now if you want to test your seasoning, just take a little bit of the meatball mixture, fry it up in a pan, and taste it. If it needs a bit more salt, add a little bit more. If it doesn't, you're good to go. Now using gloves or wet hands, roll the mixture into bite-sized meatballs and arrange them on a lined baking sheet. Then place them in a preheated oven and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until cooked through and golden brown. While our meatballs are cooking, let's make our horseradish sauce. In a medium bowl, combine half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of finely chopped dill pickles, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, 1 tablespoon of hot mustard, 3 tablespoons of horseradish, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well and season with salt and pepper as needed. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 1 hour or up to 24 hours before serving. This sauce also goes really well with a prime rib roast, which I have a recipe to in the comments below. Now serve your lamb meatballs warm with the horseradish sauce on the side for dipping or drizzling. Now enjoy this as an appetizer at a party or a main dish, especially alongside my root veg crumble, which is linked in the description below. And there you have it, my lamb meatballs with horseradish sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try, let me know if you do. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, Foodie out.